With 4 funnels lit up at night, we can only be one place in London. Yes, the pig's missing, but it's still Battersea Power Station. And we're here at night to bring you the light exhibition here at Battersea, with different installations around the Battersea Power Station. If you're arriving by the new underground, this is the first one that you come to, which, appropriate enough, is called Antennaes. I just like to call them aerials, and no, they're not proper TV aerials. I did double check as I walked around, and there are no other wires attached to them. There are 6 different displays that you can see, and here's display number 2, which is a glass greenhouse, all in different colours, and if you just stand here and watch it, it's quite mesmerising as it changes. This again is another reason why you want to come at night, to really take advantage of all of the different colours from the different light displays. The great news is this exhibition is free. All you need to do is to invest some walking power to get around the power station, which is quite large. Also, if accessibility is normally an issue, it isn't here. Everything is flat. If you've seen any publicity at all for this display, then you will have seen these, which are the origami tigers, of which there are 2 of them. And to get an idea of their size, you can just see on the left hand side some people about to walk past them, and that gives you an idea of how big these things are. Nearly all of the light displays are behind Battersea Power Station, just in front of Battersea Pier, which of course is on the shore of the Thames. And the bridge lights you can see in the background are of Chelsea Bridge, which we'll cover in a future video because they are beautiful at night. The installations have been done by different artists, and this one you literally just walk through the arch and onto a pier section, which is by the side of the Thames. Coming at night, not only do you get these beautiful lights all glowing by the edge of the pier, but also you get amazing views across into London, but also to the west as well, past Chelsea Bridge and out. Getting to the exhibition is really easy. Now you've got the new Battersea Power Station on the Northern Line, which opened in September last year. Plus also, if you want to arrive a different way, how about coming by river bus? With that, you literally get off the boat and the pier is right by the light exhibition. Now let's give you a view down and round the Thames. If you're going to come down, you also need to be pretty sharpish because it's on this display until the 27th of February, so you really do need to get down here quick. And this gives you an amazing view of Chelsea Bridge all lit up. Another great reason to come at night. Now here's another light display, and hopefully we'll catch this with the camera, so just let us know in the comments if we have. Are you ready? Here we go. Without doubt, this is one of those mesmerising light displays. Additionally, with all the trees lit up as well, it really does make for a beautiful scene here at Battersea Power Station. Also, if you're really enjoying this video, do us a favour and give us a thumbs up, will you? That will help YouTube to spread this video out to more people so they can love London as well. As you can see, I wanted to get as good an effect as possible for you to really be able to take in these lights. So here's another angle. And if that didn't work, here's another one. I promise, this is the last angle. So if you're going to come down here, definitely get your skates on. It's on until the end of February 2022, and get down here to Battersea Power Station. I can't believe I haven't been down here for years and it has changed so much. So I look forward to the further development that's going to be happening here, and I'm sure we will cover that on this channel. If you like the light display, I've put a link to a video up in the top right hand corner of when they lit up Covent Garden all in neon. So if you click on that, I'll see you in there.